Okay, the next type of report that we're going to run is a scope and sequence. So again, from your dashboard, you are going to hover over reports and pull it down to scope and sequence. Once you're there, you are going to be asked to choose the courses. I would like to do 6th, 7th, and 8th grade math. So in order to do that, I need to choose Prairie Creek and Prairie Point because those maps would occur in both of those schools. Again, we need to filter out the grades. So if I'm doing 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, and the subject I'm going to show you is mathematics. Again, you can filter by the type of map, and so for this particular one, I could choose building or I could choose district. I'm just going to show you what the district one would look like. Then you hit browse, and you'll see those 3 maps come up. So you'll select them, and then press close. And then you need to come and select the type of report you would want to run. So from the scope and sequence report, I can maybe start by looking at a comparative unit calendar. And so when you choose that, it will show you in 3 different colors the unit calendar for all 3 of those courses. So that might give you some information to look at what's being covered at what times of the year. If you want to try to run a different type of report, then you can come back and if you want to run more than one category, you would choose the multiple categories scope and sequence. So I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to select what exactly from the map I want to run. So it might make sense for me to be able to see standards as well as learning targets and skills for each of those 3 courses. So you can select what you want to be able to view and then select view report. And this particular report shows me the standard along with the learning targets for each of those courses. This map, this particular report runs it vertically instead of how the unit calendar was where you could see it all at once. So you can see right here, this is the 6th grade district map, and it runs through all their units, learning targets and skills, and you'll have to scroll down until you get to the next map. But if you would print that out, you could lay it out and be able to see what exactly the learning targets and skills are for the courses below you and above you if that's something that you wanted to choose. There are lots of other reports you can run here. So if you are not wanting to look at learning targets and skills, if it interests you to look at assessments, then you can choose that. And maybe along with assessments, I want to look at essential questions. So again, you choose what it is that you want to see, and then you press view report, and it will filter everything down. Again, the assessments are on here, so if you actually want to view the assessments, you just need to click that, and the assessment would come up from the district level map.